Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to save in Crimson Desert. I gotta say, their UI is a bit unconventional, something that's different from what we're mostly used to. To save, press escape on your keyboard, and on the upper tabs, choose Others. Once there, click on the Options sub-tab, and you'll find a new set of selections. You'll see the Save or Load Game selection card as the first option. Click on it and it'll deliver you to the save or load page. To save, you simply have to select an empty save slot and hold the R button. Doing this in an existing save will overwrite that save file, so choose carefully. If it's saved, you'll see it listed there. If you want to load a save, you just have to go to the same page. And instead of holding R on the keyboard, you hold the spacebar. And that's basically how you navigate to the save menu. If you find this video helpful, follow the channel for more Crimson Desert tutorials. Thanks for watching.